Hey everyone! If you use Safari on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or even a Windows PC, then you're probably going to love this feature. Imagine saving a bookmark on your iPhone and seeing it automatically appear on your Mac a few seconds later. Or maybe you found an important website on your Mac and want to access it instantly from your iPad. The good news is that Apple makes this really easy with iCloud Safari syncing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Safari bookmarks across all your devices. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure all of your devices are signed in with the same Apple account. If different devices are using different Apple accounts, Safari bookmarks won't sync between them. First, let's set it up on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app. Tap your name at the very top of the screen. This opens your Apple account settings. Next, tap iCloud. Under Apps using iCloud, tap Show All. Scroll down until you find Safari. Make sure the Safari switch is turned on. If it's already on, great. You're ready to move to the next device. Now let's check your Mac. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner, then select System Settings. On older versions of macOS, you may see System Preferences instead. Click your name at the top of the sidebar. Next, select iCloud. Then click Show All under Apps using iCloud. Look for Safari and make sure it's enabled. Once Safari syncing is turned on, your bookmarks, favorites, reading list items, and Safari tabs can automatically sync between your Apple devices. Pretty cool. Now let's talk about Windows PCs. A lot of people think Safari bookmark syncing only works with Apple devices, but that's not true. You can also access your bookmarks on a Windows computer. Open the Microsoft Store and download iCloud for Windows. Install the app and sign in using the same Apple account you use on your iPhone or Mac. After signing in, look for the Bookmarks option. Check the box next to Bookmarks. You can also install the iCloud Bookmarks extension for Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge if you prefer using those browsers. This allows your Safari bookmarks to stay synced across Apple devices and your Windows PC. Now let's test everything. Open Safari on one of your devices. Create a new bookmark for any website. Give me a sec while it syncs. After a few moments, open Safari on another device signed into the same Apple account. Check your bookmarks list. You should see the new bookmark already there. If the bookmark doesn't appear immediately, make sure all devices are connected to the internet and give iCloud a little time to finish syncing. If you're still having trouble, double-check that Safari syncing is enabled on every device and verify that you're signed into the same Apple account everywhere. Most syncing problems happen because one device is using a different account or Safari syncing was accidentally turned off. Okay, that's how easy it is to sync Safari bookmarks across your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Windows PC. Once everything is set up, your bookmarks will automatically stay updated across all your devices without any extra work. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.